Welcome back to accounting session. So we have discussed new profit sharing ratio, first method, second method, third method, and fourth method. So today we will solve some more problems based on fourth method. So let us solve one problem on fourth method. X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Z as a new partner and he acquires two-fifth of Y share and three-fifth of X share as his profit sharing ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So if you read the question properly, X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Z as a new partner and he acquires two-fifth of Y share and three-fifth of X share as his profit sharing ratio. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So here the new profit sharing ratio of Z is not given. So old partners, old profit sharing ratio is given. So here instead of the new profit sharing ratio of Z, what they have given is he acquires two-fifth of Y share and three-fifth of Y share as his new profit sharing ratio. So his new profit sharing ratio will be two-fifth of X ratio and three-fifth of X ratio. If you add both of this, you will get the new profit sharing ratio of or the profit sharing ratio of Z. So let us now calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So now let us see the solution. X to Z. How much is X giving towards the share of Z? So his old ratio was 2/3 and he is supposed to give three-fifths of his share, 3/5. So that is equal to 6/15. So X is giving 6/15 to Z. Therefore, X new profit sharing ratio equal to his old ratio. His old ratio was 2/3 minus his sacrifice ratio. His sacrifice ratio means how much he has contributed or given towards the share of new partner. 6/15. So here cross multiply this into 15 into 3. 15 to the 30 minus 6 3s are 18 divided by 3 into 15 45 equal to 12/45 is the new profit sharing ratio of X. Now let us see new profit sharing ratio of Y to Z. First we will see how much he has given towards the share of new partner Z. So his old ratio was 1/3 and he has contributed 2/5. So he has given 2/15 towards the share of Z. So therefore Y new profit sharing ratio, sorry, therefore Y new profit sharing ratio equal to, his old ratio was 1/3 and he has given 2/15 into 15 into 3 equal to 15 minus 6/45 equal to 9/45. This is the new profit sharing ratio of Y. Now let us see the new profit sharing ratio of Z. Z profit sharing ratio equal to the share contributed by X or sacrificed by X plus the share sacrificed by Y. So X has sacrificed 6/15 and Y has sacrificed how much? 2/15. That is equivalent to 8/15. If you want to verify X, Y and Z. X new profit sharing ratio is 12/45, Y 9/45 and Z 8/15. To make it 45 into 3. So equal to 12 plus 9 plus 8 3 are 24. 24 divided by 45 equal to 45/45. So this is how you will solve problems based on fourth method. So let us solve one more problem based on this fourth method and try to understand it very clearly. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They limit Z as a new partner and he obtains 1/3 of X share and 1/5 of Y share as his profit sharing ratio. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So this is also based on fourth method. So here also the new profit sharing ratio of Z is not given. and he obtains 1/3 of X share and 1/5 of Y share to form his profit sharing ratio. So let us calculate now the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z in this case. So here solution X to Z. So now X old ratio was 3/5 and he is agreeing to give how much? 1/3 of his share, that is equivalent to 3/15. So if he gives 3/15, his new profit sharing ratio will be his old ratio minus the ratio he has sacrificed towards the share of Z. So if you cross multiply 45 minus 15 divided by 15 into 5, 75 equal to 30/75 will be the new profit sharing ratio of X. So now let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Y. Y to Z. So Y's old ratio was 2/5 and he is agreeing to sacrifice 1/5 of his share. 1/5 of his share. So his share is 2/5 and he is agreeing to sacrifice 1/5 of his share. So 1/5 of his share equal to 2/25. So his sacrifice ratio is 2/25. And now let us calculate Y's new profit sharing ratio equal to his old ratio minus his sacrifice ratio. So equal to 25 into 5. 25 twos are 50 minus 5 twos are 10 divided by 125 equal to 40/125. Now let us calculate the Z's profit sharing ratio. Z's profit sharing ratio equal to ratio sacrificed by X plus ratio sacrificed by Y. Together will make Z's new profit sharing ratio or profit sharing ratio. So X has sacrificed 3/15 and Y 2/25. These are both divisible by 5. So let us take LCM, or else the calculation will become lengthy. 15, 25, 5 3s are, 5 5s are, then 5 1s are, 3 will remain, 5 1s are, 3 1s are, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 3, 75. So 15 into 5 will be 75, 25 into 3 will be 75. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 6/75 equal to 21/75. So this is the new profit sharing ratio of Z, or profit sharing ratio of Z. So let us see now verification. Verify X, Y and Z. 30/75, 40/125 and 21/75. So we are supposed to calculate LCM here because denominators are not same. 75, 125 and 75. Let us take 25 only directly. 25 3s are, 25 5s are, 25 3s are. 3 1s are, 5 remains. 1 जा 5, 1 जा 1 जा 1 जा. 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 5, 375. So, to make it 375 into 5, to make it 375 into 3 into 5. So, that will be equal to 150 plus 120 plus 105 divided by 375 equal to 375 divided by 375.